guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a video about my new foundation. Now, the new foundation is the Born This Way foundation, and I'm going to do a review, and I'm going to show you how the foundation looks on the skin and how it matches my skin tone. This foundation is from Too Faced. Did I say that already? I don't know. And it's called the Born This Way foundation, and it's undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation and oil-free. So as you can see, I haven't got any makeup on, but I have my eyebrows on because I thought it was easier to do them off camera. And I am just wearing some primer. So I'm going to put this foundation on, and I want to just review it with you, see what it's like, see the pros and the cons, because my skin's quite oily. It's naturally oily, so foundation to me just gets like sucked in by my skin. I hope everyone is having a really good day today. Thank you so much for your support. As I always say. So I've just done my hair and I've just put it into curls. I really do appreciate everyone's support. It really does mean a lot to me. I'm loving doing these videos every day, well, nearly every day. And I just love talking to you guys. So let's have a look at the foundation and read about it. I'm going to do half my face with a foundation brush and half my face with a beauty blender, and then see what the difference is. This oil-free foundation masterfully diffuses the line between makeup and skin for the perfect natural flawless finish and coverage so undetectable they'll think you were born this way. So the details are, it's medium to full coverage, undetectable coverage, it's oil-free, coconut water helps delicately replenish skin's moisture levels without overhydrating, infused with resilient alpine rose to brighten the skin's appearance and promote elasticity, which I just need all the time because, you know, I'm nearly 30 in 3 years, so I need to, you know, what do you call it? Roll back the time. Hyaluronic acid, that really makes my ears ping because I've got hyaluronic acid in my lips, and it's something that you're naturally born with. It's just something in your body, and over time it kind of disintegrates. Hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting skin balancing hydration for a smoother, more youthful appearance. So it's really just like sucked me in straight away. I'm thinking, oh my God, I can't wait to put it on my face. So what we're going to do, we're going to test this foundation out here. And I love the bottle. It's very Georgian, isn't it? Kind of, I just think it's beautiful. I love packaging. And we're going to do one side with my beauty blender and another side with my brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just wet the beauty blender with this Mario Badescu skincare, and it's facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. Now this has got a really funky smell. I don't know, people really like this. To me it smells strange, but I don't know. I've not really been using it. I've had it for quite some time. So now my beauty blender is wet or damp. I'm just going to apply my makeup. I need to just put my hair back, really, don't I? So I'm going to just apply on my face now. And the other side, I'm going to use the Morphe M444 brush. So here we go. So first impressions. That's the consistency. It's very thick. It doesn't really drip down. It smells. Doesn't smell much. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it on my face. On this side, I'm going to do the beauty blender, and the other side, the brush. So I'm just going to take some. Instantly, I can see there's a lot of coverage. Just going to buff it into my skin. Wow, so a little goes a long, long way, doesn't it? I've put quite a lot on, really. Just going to lift this up. Look at the glow. Wow, I mean, look at that side and look at the other side. Instantly, because I like quite a dewy kind of glow, a dewy finish to my skin. And that really does provide me with a lot of glow. Let me just have another. See, I've got a tiny bit left. Let me just get that bit too. I'm just going to do under my eyebrow, which is really tricky. Now that instantly to me is high coverage, very wet. That's the normal side. And that's the foundation on the, oh wow, that's amazing. So I'm just going to put the foundation on the other side now too. Just do this bit here, add a hand on this side. Stuff outside. That is incredible. So the next side I'm going to do with the brush and just see how it compares. So again, just one pump and a tiny bit. So just one pump is nothing really, isn't it? Take some on my brush and then just I'm not getting much here, am I? I've tried to put it on this beauty blend, this brush, the foundation. It's not working really. I'm going to just try and put some on with my beauty blender, dab it on and then brush it on with the brush. It's terrible. I feel like the brush is just taking all the makeup away. So instantly, the brush really doesn't apply the product as evenly as the sponge. I mean, it still does, but it seems to be very patchy, doesn't it? Let me just do the eyebrow. Yeah, it seems to be quite patchy on my skin. It's actually taking the makeup off. So, no, I'm not a fan of that. Wow. I wonder why it's doing that. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. I mean, the foundation's, it's okay. Compared to that side, it's very luminous. It's more luminous than, I don't know if it's the brush, but this brush is normally great. It's very patchy. So this side to me is winning. Can you see? Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the rest and just apply with the Beauty Blender. So I think the brush doesn't apply it as well. I mean, it's still quite patchy. But the coverage seems to be really, really, really gorgeous. It's very thick. It is buildable. But I quite like a natural kind of dewy glow. I mean, that side looks stunning, doesn't it? So cool. I mean, my eyebrows, yes, I need to do my eyebrows. I haven't got time to do them yet. But to me, I'm just going to actually brush my eyebrows in the middle off again. Because I don't like that little... I hate that front line. So that's the foundation. I mean, it's settling in really, really well. It's very luminous and I love dewy kind of complexions. I like that. I'm just going to finish off the rest of the makeup and then see how the foundation looks. I'm just going to apply some Shape Tape on the bottom of my eyelids. Now I use the shade Light. I'm just going to buff this into my skin. Really like that. And that is it, I think. I've just put some concealer on. I'm not sure I'm going to put some blush on because I want to be able to see the face. But to me, that looks really, really stunning. It's really, like I said, dewy. I can't say that enough. Really dewy. It doesn't actually crease to my skin. Let me just have a proper look. I mean, I've had microplaning and, or is it planning? I can't remember. And my makeup does actually sink in very, very, does actually set better than it normally would do because I've had, you know, the first layer of my skin scraped off. So it does look really, really dewy and beautiful, I think. So, there we have it, guys. That's the finished kind of foundation review. What do you think in the comments? Do you like this foundation? Do you think it works for you? Do you like dewy foundations or do you like quite a matte kind of look? Please let me know in the comments below. But I'm really, really happy with this. I am going to add some blush actually just to complete the look. I'd look a bit pasty. So I'm just going to add some blush. I'm actually using a highlighter, which might shock some people. This is the Ofra highlighter by Nikkie Tutorials, and it's just so, so cute. I love the highlighter. It's kind of a golden kind of bronze. And then obviously I'm going to use the two other ones, and I've hit pans so hard on these. And just buff up the top. I mean, look, can you just see the glow? Completely obsessed with this. On my nose and the bridge. Cupid's bow. Always put a bit around the chin. And some on my brow bone. And I just look instantly kind of, I know the concealer, oh, by the way, this is the Morphe M510 brush. I know the concealer kind of, oh, I've now got it all over my lips now. Finish off with some gloss. This is the Soho Sweet Pea NYC gloss. I mean, I'm madly into glosses at the minute. And that's a complete look. I know the highlighter kind of makes my look even more dewy, but I think that looks incredible. So yes, this foundation from me is a massive winner. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's very, very subtle, and you can build it up. And most importantly, it gives you a glow, a dewy glow. So if you're a dewy glow kind of person, this is the perfect foundation for you. So there we have it, guys. Oh, and my shade is Ivory. Can you see? It never focuses me, it's so annoying. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of this foundation. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's... Sorry, the line just went weird. Would you recommend it? Would you use it? Do you have any better foundations? Oh, actual facial spray. Can't beat a facial spray. There's something about this. I don't know what it is. It just doesn't really... look good on me. The smell is off-putting. I don't know. People love the smell. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.